in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Suffolk County in southeast New York until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near West Hampton and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to East Point and Hampton Bays. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Suffolk County, New York. National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots near Moriches Bay, moving southeast at 40 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Connecticut and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, and Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles.